Hi, I'm April with WTI, and I am a big coffee drinker, and I function so much better on convenience. So when it comes to a good coffee drink for on the go, I like Super Coffee. I like that this coffee drink is made by a small business owned by brothers trying to help people create positive changes in their lives, because I recently went on a sugar-free diet, and this delicious caramel latte has 0 added sugars, meaning there's only 70 calories, yet there's 10 grams of protein. So there's full flavor without the sugar crash. This is perfect for on the go, and it's a little workout assistant for me. So whatever time of day I need a little boost, Super Coffee is there for me. Get out there with some Super Coffee and enjoy your summer. But that's just my point of view.